Hey guys, it's Erica, and holy crap, I haven't done a video in 800 million years, and honestly I really don't have time to do a talk through or explain to you guys what's been going on or where I've been. But long story short, I went back to work full-time. I'm pregnant with my second child, and I'm transitioning my shop from print to cut to printables, and this is one of the printable kits that is in the shop currently. This was actually the red velvet kit from last year, and essentially I just reformatted it to the printable format and put it back up in the shop for pretty much the month of February. It doesn't have to be used for Valentine's Day. It does say love and XO on it, but other than that, it really is just like a love red kit. So you can use this at any time of the year if you just want to use it for like an anniversary or like a date week or anything like that. But of course I love February. It's one of my favorite months. I really love red. Red is like one of my favorite colors, as well as purple, which is why I always love like the wintry months. But for that reason, I really wanted to show off this kit. So first of all, let's go over what comes in the kit, and then I'm going to do a fast forward of this because I actually have to leave in like 15 minutes to go pick up my daughter from school. So you get 8 full boxes. You actually get 9. Here's the 9th. So you get 9 full boxes. The 9th is on like one of the functional sheets. So you get 9 full boxes. You actually get a ton of icons. These sheets don't cut out like this. They're actually like full page sheets, but I cut them in half and ended up cutting these icons separately. But they're essentially on the sidebar. So I believe you get, what, 24 round icons, and then you get a few extra labels on this sheet, and then you actually get more labels on another sheet. So in total, you actually get 16 additional headers separate from the to do, today, and littles. And then you also get these like canceled, not today, nope, rescheduled. You got your little things, and you've got half heart checklists. So there's those 2 sheets. Then you get 4 flags. These actually fit the width of the box. You can always use them vertically as well. Then you have 8 half heart checklist boxes, and then 8 hydrate stickers. Then you've got your bottom washi and then a glitter washi. So you can either just use the bottom washi, and this actually fits like exactly between the bottom of here and the dotted lines along the bottom. But if you want to shift it down, you can always layer on this like gold strip, or you can use the gold strip up top with your date covers, or you can just use them wherever you want if you want to place them like in the middle or something like that. Just a little option. Then you've got your various washi strips. Then we're going to go back to this functional page. You've got 8 heart checklists. Then I've got these new stickers. These are like little bows, little label bows, and they fit the full width of a box. Then you've got 2 Monday to Sunday habit trackers, and then 2 smaller habit trackers, sorry, Monday to Sunday checklist boxes, and then 2 habit trackers. Then you've got like various favorite icons, a planner, and then your 2 page flags to go up in the corner, and a weekend banner. Then you have 8 appointment labels, 8 quarter boxes, 8 half boxes, and then a bunch of smaller flags. Then you've got your date covers, your date dots, glitter headers, and 1 bill due. And then last but not least, you've got your 8 heart checklists. So let's go ahead and start putting this down. So this is essentially going to be a mock spread for Valentine's Day. I'm really not using my Erin Condren for planning anymore. I'm really using my rings. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, I have been like all about my personal rings. So this has been like my new favorite thing, are these timed inserts from Annie Plans. If you guys want to see like a plan with me in that, let me know, or like a walkthrough, I can do that. But in general, as far as Erin Condren kits go, I've been using my A5, and this has really been like where I do like my Erin Condren like spreads with my vertical columns versus the daily. So then I will usually update this after I do my timed. So these are just some of my spreads from January. So let me know if you guys want to see real plan with me's in these, because these are where I actually truly plan, or in my ring bounds. But as for like releasing new kits, I was gonna do like mock spreads in my Erin Condren so that you guys can see what they look like in this planner. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put down these stickers and I will see you guys at the end.
Waited all my life for someone like you to show. Now that you're mine, it's so hard to take things slow. Oh, don't wanna wait another day, don't want our fire to fade to glow. We're going under the weather, harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout until we get it right. 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 Spending all my days wishing I was someone else. Now the tables are turned and I climb right out as well. Someone granted my plea like a coin in a wishing well. We're going under the weather, harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout until we get it right. Until we get it right. Until we get it right. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. Until we get it right. Until we get it right. Until we get it right.
I don't know if you can see the bad things you do, and I'm losing every Those big brown eyes always take over the room. Yeah, you can make me laugh and cry just by being around. If heaven's door is open, it's 'cause you kicked it down. Every word you say, every smile you fake, I let you go. It's sad to see you feeding off the feeling. Every heart you break, every soul you shake, I let you go. It's you, not me, who messed up now. When it's trouble, hey, a birthday. If you would stay, baby, I run away, baby. I don't need you, baby. All this table lies to tell. If you would stay, baby, I run away, baby. I don't need you, baby. All this table lies to tell. Every word you say, every smile you fake, I let you go. It's sad to see you feeding off the feeling. Every heart you break, every soul you shake, I let you go. It's you, not me, who messed up now. Every word you say, every smile you fake, I let you go. It's sad to
Okay guys, so here is my mock spread using the red velvet kit, and Gabby is now with us, so if you hear noises or her talking, it is because she is on the floor messing with the drawers and like emptying them right now. So I used up all of the checklist boxes, and then of course we have all these extras which I will use in my personal planner, so I always hold on to these. I don't typically use a lot of the headers, so those will probably just stay there. The washi I can always use in my personal planner, and of course I do have a lot of the round icons, so I can always use those later. And same thing with these half checklist flags. I'm not a big little things and headers person. I always like to use the glitter. So for me, this sheet tends to get wasted, but I did want to use some of the little things in this spread to just kind of show you. I did use 8 of the 9 full boxes, and then of course there are more headers or labels. Then I did use some of the bow labels to decorate some of the half boxes, and I wanted to do contrasting colors, and actually I'm gonna go ahead and use this guy on this one. So I thought that was really cute. You can always use them as a separator or a header of sorts. You can always layer it with washi tape and make it more decorative. I do have some extra icons. I do tend to plan on Mondays, so I will use my planner sticker. Oopsies, that was way crooked. Use my planner sticker on Monday. And like I said, this is a mock spread, so I really don't know what's going to be happening Valentine's week, but this is what I did for a fake spread. And then of course this is Valentine's Day, so I went ahead and put a date night flag there. And then I have tons of half boxes, appointment labels, and some quarter boxes and some flags, and these will all be perfect for my personal planner. So essentially all I'll do for my personal planner is print out another sheet of like the full box decos and the washi tape, and I have all the rest that I can use as extras in my personal planner, and I don't have to actually print out a full kit. I can just print out that one page of the full boxes, which is really nice about the printables, because if you need a certain thing, you can just print out what you need, and then you don't have to go buying another kit. Like, you already have the digital papers, which is really nice. So anyway, this is it for the mock spread. I hope you guys liked it. I do eventually want to start doing more talk-throughs. I really can't film every week because I am working full-time, and filming like this is really difficult because this room is right next to Gabby's room, and she's a really light sleeper right now. So I wouldn't be able to film at night, and during the day when she's at school, I'm at work. So it's like really difficult. There might be times after work, like now where she's chilling on the floor, Tino's still at work, where I might be able to plan, but the window is really small because as soon as he gets home, then it's like family time. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm excited to be back. I don't know if I'm gonna really be back. For now, this is what it's gonna be. It may be really sporadic and there won't be a schedule at this point, but I did want to show off some of these stickers, and I do eventually want to do like plan with me's in my personal planner or my ring bound. So let me know if you guys want to see the ring bound planners, and I can do that as well. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!